Hi, this is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. This is episode 3 of the patio makeover. Holy crap! Okay, my rustic garden makeover is really happening. This project is coming together so well, so follow along to see what my process is. Hi, it's episode 3 of my backyard rustic patio makeover. So today what I'm doing is repotting hundreds, if not possibly 1,000 small little succulents. All of these need to be repotted, these babies out of here. All right, everybody, here's a midday update. So, I found that dresser drawer on the side of the road, and I'm going to use it. I was also able to weed underneath that potting bench. And then from episode 2, I showed you the black metal fire log caddy. So now I hit it with some off-white paint, and then I hit it again with some bright white paint. So I don't like that positioning. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the side a little bit. Now this area I styled yesterday, and I'm super happy with it. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Let's see how this might look if we turn it. All right, I like it better that way, so we'll go that route. All right, here's a partial reveal. I went ahead and put some very heavy pots down there to stabilize the potting bench. And then I went ahead and styled the dresser drawer, and I'm really happy about how that turned out. Does that look country chic? Oh boy. That's really, really cute. I was having some fun today. I'm more interested in styling than actually repotting the succulents. I need to hire out the potting of the succulents. All right, so I'm really into placement, and I like how this turned out. And look at that middle one. That's from Betty up in Petaluma. And look how that turned out. I'm really happy about the fireplace log caddy. That just is super sweet. Those are going to be growing up to be beautiful little succulents. So far, so good. I'm having a heck of a fun time. And there's more to come. All right, so we got to the hutch, and we were able to clean up some of these pots. And I'm still kind of in the middle of styling this top part. Now here's something interesting. This pot really does need to be kind of really cleaned up. Some of those succulents don't look happy. And there's a lot of surface soil showing. So what you could do is just pop in one of your small containers and it fills it out. All right, so we've got some neat stuff happening here. These guys are babies, but they're ready for the real world now, as well as these. So, another project down for the rustic patio makeover. Here's a more in-depth look at how I styled the dresser drawer and the potting bench. And then also I will go ahead and give you a partial reveal of how all the projects have turned out. So keep watching till the end. I just want to give credit where credit is due. My girlfriends, Aondrea and Sarah, they both said to me once I picked up the dresser drawer, I was just going to go ahead and lay it flat and top it off with all kinds of succulents, but both of them had suggested to me, why not stand it straight up? And it looks so beautiful. Thanks, ladies. Also want to remember to thank Betty and Jessica too. As I end episode 3, I just want to let you know tomorrow's projects will probably be about trying to find some really cute containers to repot these succulents. So I've got this very large grouping of these Graptivaria, and I want to really showcase them. You can find all episodes of the Patio Makeover in the description. This is the cover for episode 2. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.